In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account code in Xero. Navigating the realms of accounting software can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient code. Fear not, today we're going to break it down, making it as simple as possible for you to add an account code in Xero, one of the most popular accounting platforms out there. Let's dive right in. The very first step, predictably, involves heading over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you're going to find a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. Now you're going to be prompted to enter your email and password. Take your time, make sure you enter the details correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After you've successfully filled in your credentials, it's time to hit the login button. And voila, you're in. The next part of this journey involves a bit of navigation. Look for the accounting tab. You're going to want to click on that. If you're not immediately sure where that is, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Xero is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it relatively quickly. Upon clicking Accounting, your next move is to select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your account details live. Think of it as the backbone of your financial records in Xero. It's crucial to your accounting processes, so getting comfortable with finding and using Chart of Accounts is going to benefit you long term. Now for the main event, adding a new account, you should see an Add Account button somewhere on this page. Found it? Great. Give that a click. This is the step where things start to get a bit more detailed. Xero will ask you to choose the account type next. This is an important step because it determines how transactions associated with this account will be categorized and reported. There are several types to choose from, such as revenue, expenses, assets, and more. Make your selection based on what this account will be used for. Not sure which type fits your needs? No worries, Xero provides descriptions for each category to help guide you in your decision-making process. Next up, you're going to type in the account code. If you're not familiar, account codes are unique identifiers that help organize and track financial transactions. Depending on how your business operates, there might be a specific numbering system you need to follow. If you're unsure, it could be helpful to consult with a financial advisor, or look at how your existing accounts are structured for guidance. Moving on, you'll need to enter a name for this new account. Choose something descriptive and clear to make it easy for anyone, including future you, to understand at a glance what this account is used for. After naming your account, you'll be asked to provide a description. This is your chance to add any additional details that didn't quite fit in the name. It can be particularly helpful for providing context or clarifying the account's purpose. The final step, click Save. And just like that, you've successfully added a new account code to your Xero chart of accounts. Remember, Xero is a powerful tool designed to make accounting as straightforward as possible, but it also relies on accurate input from its users. Take your time with each of these steps, double check your information before saving, and don't hesitate to use Xero's resources or reach out to an accounting professional if you're ever in doubt. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding an account code in Xero. Whether you're tidying up your financials for tax season or setting up a new business, understanding how to manage your chart of accounts is an invaluable skill. Keep practicing and it will soon feel like second nature. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.